How to fix can't hear people on Discord. Let's get started. For that, first of all, you can simply open up the Discord application in your PC or use a browser. You can simply open the browser in the search bar, simply type in discord.com and then log in to your account. Once logged in, tap on the settings like icon that says user settings. Now scroll down to voice and video, and just like that you can find output device option. After that, make sure correct device is selected. Now also check the output volume. Make sure it is turned up, and just like that make sure you check if that fixes the issue or not. If not, you can simply join a voice channel or call and then right click on the user you can't hear. Make sure the user volume is not set to 0 and they're not muted. You should also test with another person to make sure the issue isn't on their side. If the problem still continues, you can simply search for sound mixer option. Then open it up. Now simply find Discord inside here and make sure it is not muted. Also make sure the volume is turned up. That should fix the issue in most cases. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.